Hey everybody, Josh with JD Science Play. Got a slightly textured wall? Take this film and make some money with it. I do want to highlight the film that's in front of us right here. This is one of General Formulations' more recent wall films. Yes. And this is your 285 rough mark.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about this film, how it goes on, what it's used for.
Yeah, 285 is really particular, really interesting. In the world of wall wrap, it's always generally be permanent type graphics, very expensive material. And we've come up with a product in a 3.5 mil. It is a opaque film, printable on a matte white, and we also have a matte clear finish. So it's used in instances where someone's got a brick wall, a block wall, where it's semi-smooth, or you can see here where it's got some kind of texture to it, but not a really deep texture. But they want to be able to use it for a point of purchase or directional signage or advertisement. They don't want to drill holes and put banner clips to hang a banner. Oh, that's a good inexpensive solution, but you're left with, degrading the wall. And maybe an old wall, maybe historic. You want to make sure that you can put that graphic on, it bonds and then removes. And the 285 has a particular, again, I'll mention HTR, high-tech removal adhesive, has 2 mils of adhesive. Again, kind of an oxymoron, high-tech removal, but it is really unique because a standard vinyl may have 1 mil of adhesive. This has 2 because of the texture, because of the extra bonds it needs to adhere to. They're again a wide variety of surfaces. So whether it's putting it up and then be able to remove it cleanly, that's the key. Whether you're wrapping a cement pillar, we call it a faux brick here like this as well, or maybe it's a painted brick block wall found in arenas and schools and colleges, a lot of industries and buildings where they want to put signage and they want to be able to remove it later as well. Again, it can be left up if they wish, but we talk about clean removability up to 6 months.
That's great. So this film really allows the sign shop to market material to an event or a marketing company or something like that, and really make use of all of these rough textured surfaces, whether it's a short term or even a long term, like you mentioned. This film will last a while when installed. What tips and tricks, what tools do you need to install something like this?
Well, that's a great question because there's very many different type of buildings, different kind of bricks, different mortar, old mortar, new mortar. Just like paint, you want to make sure the paint is firmly affixed to a wall. Same with the brick. You want to make sure that the mortar is not loose, it's not crusty, the bricks aren't coming off. And if it's painted, that's be inspected. Because if you have something that's loose or bubbling, if you go to put any adhesive on it, you're going to remove it and then pull the paint off too. But we just ask that it's been inspected and it's in a condition which can be applied and removed. But that's the biggest thing, is making sure the wall can take a print and remove cleanly, again, whether it's unpainted or painted, and that has an effect. So if moisture gets in and it's wintertime, that's the other thing too, can affect it where it's not going to fully bond. We want to make sure it's put up in the right way and right fashion. And our website has documents on rough mark and how to install it and some of the things to look out for too. That's
cool. So heat, a textured surface roller of some sort really helps work the vinyl down into all the fine detail that you can see here. So this is a really cool product.
It is. It's great, and it also, obviously, we sticking to concrete and such, and cement, and brick and block walls. Also sticks to plastic, like your A-frames that people quite often use, and they want to put a graphic on it. All you do have to wipe it isopropyl, put it on, and then we're done. You can remove cleanly. Again, because of the high-tech removal adhesive, it's very key.